5 seconds to go. Start. With respect to the above subject, we submit, that the death penalty convict number 307, Umesh B.R. Appeal petition was rejected by the Honorable Supreme Court, New Delhi, and a letter confirming his death sentence has been sent to this office as mentioned in the reference. Stop. The said subject matter and processes have been explained in detail several times to the convict in the presence of all officers, but as the convict is mentally ill, he is not agreeing to submit any more mercy petitions. Stop. So we have not received any mercy petitions from him. Stop. The convict was examined by the prison doctors and have given a medical report which is attached with this letter for your perusal and for further action. Stop. Para. This letter also affirms the fact that the appellant was mentally ill. Stop. Para. The act on part of the medical officer in checking the health and well-being of the appellant was obviously because of the mandate of section 29 of the Prisons Act, 1894, which is to the following effect: para. Solitary confinement no cell shall be used for solitary confinement unless it is furnished with the means of enabling the prisoner to communicate at any time with an officer of the prison, and every prisoner so confined in a cell for more than 24 hours, whether as a punishment or otherwise, shall be visited at least once a day by the medical officer or medical subordinate. Stop. Para. It must, therefore, be taken to be accepted that from 2006 till 2006, the appellant was kept in solitary confinement in Andheri block, and it was only thereafter, some relaxation in the rigors of the solitary confinement was effected, and as the record shows, from 2016 onwards, the conditions were gradually relaxed. Stop. Para. The law on the point, as declared in Sunil Batra, is very clear, and as was held by this court in Ajay Kumar Pal, segregation of a convict from the day when he was awarded death sentence till his mercy petition was disposed of, would be in violation of law laid down by this court in Sunil Batra. Stop. In the instant case, the death sentence was awarded to the appellant in 2006 by the trial court, and the mercy petition was finally disposed of by the Honorable President on 12th May 2013, which means that the incarceration of the appellant in solitary confinement and segregation from 2006 to 2013 was without the sanction of law and completely opposed to the principles laid down by this court in Sunil Batra. Stop. Para. In Ajay Kumar Pal, on the issue of segregation of the convict in violation of the principles laid down in Sunil Batra, this court observed, para. Furthermore, as submitted in the petition, the petitioner has all the while been in solitary confinement, that is, since the day he was awarded death sentence, while dealing with section 32 of the Prisons Act, 1894, which postulates segregation of a person under sentence of death. Krishna Iyer, judge in Sunil Batra observed. Stop.